Hi friends, welcome back to Bioschool. In today's session, we'll see what is an ecotone and edge effect, as well as we discuss what is important on the environment. So let's get started. What is an ecotone? Ecotone, it is a transition zone between two ecosystems. Let's consider one ecosystem, it is a terrestrial ecosystem, and another ecosystem, that is an aquatic ecosystem. So the transition area that is present in between the terrestrial ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem, that transition area is known as an ecotone. Okay, and in nature one ecosystem gradually changes into another ecosystem. Okay, this transition zone are rich in biodiversity. Why? Because in the transition zone you will find species, animal or the plant species of both the ecosystem as well as some species of this transition zone. Okay, some of the species they are adapted in this transition area. So the biodiversity is higher in the transition zone or in ecotone as compared to the neighboring ecosystems. Okay, so now we'll see how an ecotone is formed. Okay, so ecotone, it is formed by naturally or by the human interaction. Okay, so naturally it may be formed because of the change in the climate condition, change in the location, temperature, change in the soil composition. All that factors are responsible for the formation of ecotone. Also the human interaction that can also form the ecotone. Let's consider that deforesting and irrigation that also result in the formation of ecotone. So one ecosystem, it will gradually changes into the another ecosystem. Okay, so the transition area which will be formed, that is result in the ecotone. So here is an example of ecotone is the transition from a forest to grassland ecosystem. Okay, so the changes from the forest to the grassland ecosystem, it can formed naturally by the change in the temperature and the rainfall. Okay, so that will be result in the slow change in the tree composition of the forest, and it will convert it into grassland, or by the deforesting by humans, that also can result in conversion of a forest into the grassland ecosystem. This is how an ecotone is formed. So let's see some of the examples of ecotone. Examples of ecotone are grassland, which is formed in between the forest and desert ecosystem. Estuary, that is the ecotone between the fresh water and salt water. Okay, so you will find that some of the animal species that are present in the salt water and some of the animal species, especially the fishes, let's consider the fishes, are the present in the fresh water. But in the estuary, you will find the fishes of both the salt water as well as from the fresh water. Okay, so the biodiversity is more in the estuary region. Okay, similarly the marshland, which is the ecotone in between the dry and wet ecosystem. So here you can see this is the ecosystem 1, which is the land ecosystem, and it is the aquatic ecosystem. Okay, so the transition zone, this is the transition zone between the two ecosystem, between the two different ecosystem, is known as the ecotone. Okay, what is an ecotone? It is a transition zone between the two ecosystem. Okay, so this is only the land ecosystem. In the land ecosystem, some animal and the plant species are present. Similarly, in aquatic ecosystem, animal and the plant species are present. But in the transitional ecosystem, which is an ecotone, here you will find the species from both the land ecosystem as well as from the aquatic ecosystem. And the species which are present in the transitional zone or in the ecotone region, that are maybe some amphibians which can adapt to both the land as well as to aquatic ecosystem. Okay, so the ecotone, it is rich in biodiversity. That's why it attracts the attention of more environmental scientists. Okay, and you can tell that ecotone, it is an indicator of global change. Okay, if there is any change in the environment, then that will directly impact the species which is present in the ecotone region. Okay, and that species, they are act as an barometer of global change. So this is another example of the grassland and forest ecosystem. Here you can see this one is the forest ecosystem and this one is the grassland ecosystem. The transitional area or the transition zone which is present in between the two ecosystems, that is known as the ecotone. Ecotone is the transitional zone between the two ecosystems. We can find ecotone in a habitat. So ecotone can present within an ecosystem as well. Okay. So ecotone it not only present in between the two ecosystems, sometimes we can find ecotone within an ecosystem. Okay. So for example, it is seen in the elephant habitat. When the elephant they move, they tend to break up the forest by trampling, okay, and create a grassland type path. So let's consider this one is the forest. Okay. When the elephant they moves, they break down the trees gradually within an ecosystem. They will create a grassland. Okay, they'll create a grassland. Okay. So sometimes ecotone it is found within an ecosystem as well. The most significance of ecotone is that it is rich in species diversity. Okay. So most of the researcher or the environmental scientists they focus on the ecotone. Sorry, this is not the ecosystem, it is the ecotone. Ecotone. Okay. As it is rich in the species diversity, so it attracts the researchers. You know why it is rich in the species diversity? Because they contain animal and the plant species of both the adjacent ecosystems. Moreover, in ecotone, certain other species that are specially adapted for living in this zone also thrive. But such species are not found in the adjacent ecosystem. That means in the ecotone region, you will find the animal and the plant species of both the neighboring ecosystem as well as some unique animal or the plant species are present in the ecotone. Okay, we can say that ecotone it acts as a buffer zone and it protects the neighboring ecosystems from probable environmental damage. That's why the ecotone has greater importance in the environment. So now comes to edge effect. What is an edge effect? What do you understand by edge? Edge is literal meaning the outer limit of an area. Let's consider my hand. So what is the edge? Edge is the outer limit. Okay, this outer limit is known as the edge. In ecology, edge effect it describes the greater diversity along the edge of two habitats. So hope now you have understand what is ecotone. Ecotone it is the region between the two different ecosystems, and in the ecotone there is a greater diversity. Okay, so at the edge, that is the edge of one ecosystem and edge of the another ecosystem, they are overlapping and species from both of these ecosystems as well as unique species are present. That increase in the diversity as a result from ecosystems overlapping is known as edge effect. Okay, so in simple term, edge effect is the increase in the diversity of species at the edge of two ecosystems. Increase of diversity that results from ecosystem overlapping is known as an edge effect. Let's get a clear idea about edge effect through this example. Okay, it is one ecosystem and this one is ecosystem B. So in ecosystem A, you can see the squares of three different colors that represent the three different species. Okay, one is the red, one is blue, and one is yellow in color. Similarly, in ecosystem B, there is presence of three different species which are represented by circles. One is red, one blue, and yellow. For this ecosystem A, this one is the edge. Edge means the outer limit. Okay. Similarly, for ecosystem B, this one is the edge. And here you can see the edge of both the ecosystem, they are overlapping with each other. Okay. And this transition area, it is known as ecotone. And in the ecotone region, there is a higher species diversity or greater species diversity. Okay, because here you can find the species of both ecosystem A as well as species of ecosystem B. Like here you can see the square which represent the species of ecosystem A and the circle that represent the species of ecosystem B. In addition to that, there are some unique species are also present which are represented by triangle. Okay, so that increase in diversity of the species in the edge of two overlapping ecosystem is known as edge effect. Okay, so let's see the question. If I'm not wrong, this question it is a 2020 CSIR NET examination. So let's see the question. Which one of the following statements is correct with reference to ecotone? Okay, let's see the options. Ecotones are rich in endemic species and only contain species not found in surrounding ecosystems. No, the ecotone is rich in species of surrounding ecosystem. So this one is wrong. Ecotone refers to area that are under habitat degradation and contain endangered species that are not found in the neighboring communities. This one is also wrong. Ecotones are species poor habitats due to scarcity of soil, nutrient and availability of resources. No. Ecotones are transition area between two ecosystems and have greater number of species than either of the neighboring communities. This one is correct. So for this question, correct answer is option 4. Hope now you have a clear idea about what is ecotone and what is an edge effect. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, then please comment down below and do share with your friends. Stay connected with me. If you have not subscribed yet, then please do subscribe my channel.